Hi and welcome. I'm Institutional Portfolio Manager Ilan Kolet. Equity markets are feeling optimistic as we head into the final months of the year, driven by the excitement around AI. This has created a very crowded trade with a handful of US stocks driving most of the market's gains. Our latest paper, which we've just released called Escaping the Crowds, examines why now more than ever true diversification means looking beyond the hype. While we respect the power of AI, the market's intense focus on it is obscuring some real risks in the US economy. First, a concentrated market is not a diversified market. And for the funds we manage, diversification is our guiding principle. Second, we see growing concerns around US policy, the potential for resurgent inflation, and a weakening US dollar. Because of this, we're maintaining our underweight to US equities. We're using active managers to find opportunities beyond the mega caps, and we've taken steps to reduce our exposure to the US dollar, diversifying into other currencies and gold. So, where are we finding opportunity? We believe the road less traveled could lead right back here to Canada. Now, we know the recent headlines about the Canadian economy haven't been entirely positive. We've seen a weak GDP report, trade headwinds, and challenges for consumers. But we believe the worst of this news is already priced in and that the situation is beginning to turn. It just may be darkest before the dawn. Those major headwinds, from trade tensions to the peak of mortgage renewals, are showing signs of lifting. At the same time, we see a visible path to improvement with new government plans focused on infrastructure and reducing barriers to growth. As investors, we always want to look to where the puck is going, not where it is now. That's why we've recently increased our allocation to Canada, moving from an underweight to a broadly neutral position. In today's market, it's easy to get swept up by the crowd. Our job is to protect and manage your capital by maintaining discipline. That means balancing the exciting but crowded themes like AI with the underappreciated opportunities. Thank you for watching. I encourage you to read the full quarterly GAA report on fidelity.ca.